We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do, as you can then go and send and receive messages on your computer on WhatsApp. We need to go and open up the Microsoft Store. This is essentially an app store on your computer, so come down to the bottom and tap search. You can then go and type it in. As you can see, Microsoft Store, it'll probably be suggested to you. Now, you're going to see loads of different apps and games on here, but of course we're looking for WhatsApp. So we can come to the top, click on the search bar and type in WhatsApp. We can go and click on it. It's free, and all we need to do is click on install over to the left. It's a super straightforward process and you don't need to go and do much. As you can see, it's now almost done. When it's ready, it will go and say open. And what you can also do is go and click on search at the bottom and type it in. And as you can see, there it is. So you can go and open it up, and we just need to quickly set it up. So you can click get started, and then all we need to do is go and scan this QR code, open up the WhatsApp app, go to your settings, and you can click on link devices, click link a device, and you can then go and scan the QR code. As you can see, the messages will download and I can now go and start using it on my computer. It's that simple.